Divorce is something that no one wants to do, however in some cases it is inevitable. This is something that sometimes has to happen so that a person can be happy and feel good about whom they are so that they can start living again. It is important for the two people that are going through the divorce to stay active with friends and family members and to not let it get them down. The first holiday after your divorce can be the worst. This can be the most uncomfortable situation that you could ever be in. There are some things that you can do to help the holiday go a little bit better and may even help it to be a little easier to deal with the fact that things are no longer the same and that you will have to accept that fact. No matter what holiday it is, you are going to see that things are different. You will not be the same team that you always were in the past, and now you have to find a way to move on and have a great holiday regardless of this fact. You will want to make the experience as easy as you can on everyone, including your friends, family and children if you have any. You may want to consider changing a few things for your next holiday after the divorce. You may have to come with the determination that traditions must change and that you can get through them. You may have to work out arrangements for the children if any and make sure that they are taken care of at this difficult time. You want them to have the best holiday that they can, even if it means that you must sacrifice some things. You may want to find something else to do for your traditions on the holidays. You want to make them fun and entertaining as well as enjoyable and less painful for you and anyone else that is involved in the family function. You also need to make sure that you are taking time out for yourself. You need to keep your thoughts good so that you can stay focused on making this first year the best that you can for everyone. You want to make sure that you have your own downtime. If you feel like being sad or crying, you should be able to do that alone. You may need a few minutes of each day to get yourself composed and feeling better about the entire situation. You need to make sure that your mind is free from any distress when it comes time for the family gathering. You may want to use some humor for the situation. You need to find the fun side in everything, and this will include holidays after your divorce. You need to find ways to laugh even if they are stupid and childish. You want to keep a positive attitude for not only yourself, but also anyone else that may be affected. Another good idea is to look ahead. You want to stay focused on the future. Remember, the first holiday is the worst and things will only get better as time passes and you are able to accept the way that things are a little better. In time you will feel more relaxed and you will not remember this first holiday that made you so upset.